Hello, this is Annie from AVLink. We are now at ISE 2020, and today I want to show you our new products here. It's our 12G-SDI distribution amplifier. So in here we have our 4 ports and 8 ports. So it supports 12G, but also we support anything downwards. So 1.5G, 3G, and 6G, 12. And we have the cable length tested. And in here we have our live demo. So this is our pattern generator, like 12G SDI pattern generator, going through a 75-meter cable into our 4 ports, another 70 meters into the 8 ports, and cascading another 70 meters into another 4 ports. And then going back to our analyzer, you can see that our eye diagram is pretty, which means the product is very stable, the signal is very stable as well. And another cool things about our product is we have this dip switch function. Here's the dip switch. Basically, every time if you are not using a port, you will need to lock a terminator on it. But with our dip switch, you don't need to use the terminator. Basically, you just need to turn on the dip switch and then it will turn off the unused ports. And also another cool thing is we have our LED lights here. Whenever you use a different data rate, it will show different light color. So for example, SD, it will be light blue, HD is purple, 3G is green, LG is yellow, and 12G is the blue lights. And also it can show you if the signal is good or not. So for example, if your signal is very great, the light will basically not flash. And if the signal is very, very, very bad, then it will flash slowly. So this is our new product. So if you want to know more information, please feel free to visit our website at www.avlinksystem.com or just send us an email at sales@avlinksystem.com. Thank you.